Hello farmers, my name is Joseph Maina, a dairy farmer from Kinangop, Nyandarua County. Today I want us to talk about things you should consider first before starting a dairy farm. Dairy farming is not something that you venture into when you are broke. It is expensive, and so you need to plan before starting your farm. Some of the things to consider before starting dairy farming. One is that you should have passion. Don't start dairy farming because you heard that someone started and then he's earning so much from dairy. No, you must have passion, and it should come from your heart. Dairy farming should come from your heart. You should do it passionately. After you feel that you have passion and you are doing it passionately, now you are ready to go. Secondly, you should consider getting good breeds. A good dairy cow should not have a sagging udder. It should have an udder that is well attached to the cow. Sagging udders doesn't mean that the bigger the udder does not mean that a cow will produce much. So a good udder should be well conformed and well attached to the cow. So don't go for the cow because it has a big udder. Again, a huge cow does not mean that it will produce much milk. Most of the high producers, by the way, are very small, the short cows. It doesn't mean that the bigger the cow, the much it will produce. So most of the highest producers are small cows. So with the help of your vet, you can get a good breed. And I'm here, I can also help you get a very good breed. You see, like this udder, it is not sagging. It is well attached to the cow. So this one is a very good udder. Again, the back line. You see, the back line of a cow should be very straight. It should be very straight, not curved this way or the other way. So it should be very. So when getting a good cow, make sure that the back line is very straight. Another thing, don't get into dairy farming if you don't have enough feed. Make sure that you have feed that can sustain your cows for about 6 months. And if not 6 months, then make sure that you know where you will get your feeds when it gets finished. Don't be that farmer who will wake up in the morning not knowing where his cows will get feed from. You should have enough feed for your cows for a big period of time. Another thing is about good environment. Your cow should have some shelter where when it is too hot, the cow can have some shade, and when it is raining, the cow will not be rained on. Then the sleeping place, it should be somewhere comfortable. You should keep your cow comfortable. Where it is sleeping, it is comfortable. Where it is feeding, it is in a comfortable place. A good environment doesn't mean that you should have so expensive materials. Like our case, you see we have used T-bus and a sleeping place. It is not a must you put mattress, as long as the sleeping place is comfortable and not cemented, because if you cement, the cow will be very cold. So mostly we use sawdust, or you can use soil just the way it is, not cementing. You should have someone who is responsible of taking good care of your cows. Your cow should be well managed in such that it should be dewormed regularly, and again it should have someone who is checking on the cow regularly to make sure that it is not sick, and if it is sick, the vet is there for you. And again, feeding time. It should not be you should not be feeding your cow when it is too late, or again when it is too early. You should have your timetable when to feed your cows. Or you should also have a source of clean water that you will be changing after every 2 days. Make sure that you change the water regularly. When you want to start a dairy farm, I don't advise you to go for the cows that have already given birth. The best cow to start with, I think it is heifers, in-calf heifers, the one that are from 5 to 8 months pregnant. Those ones I think will be the best cows to start with. I said dairy farming is expensive. Don't expect to get so much from cows if you're not giving them. I think you should give your cow 1/3 of what it is giving you. If it is giving you 30 liters per day, I think 10 liters should go back to the cow. And by so doing, your cow will be very well managed and it will give you good returns. I think you have learned so much from this episode, and I thank you very much, and until next time, bye.